Good day, everyone. I'm Angela A. Montasa together with my group mates Shaira Jane Dumalagan, Clarice Domingo, and Eliza La Rosa. So, we are going to discuss the case study of the viral pistachio chocolate craze by Pop Up Girls. So here is the introduction. So demand and supply affect market prices and equilibrium. It shows how changes in consumer behavior, product popularity, and external factors like social media trends can shift demand and supply. So by understanding this concept, we can see how market respond to shortage and surplus and changes in demand over time.
So, for the part A, understanding demand, question number 1. What caused the sudden increase in demand for pistachios? The sudden increase in demand for pistachios was caused by the viral chocolate trend using pistachios. So, ni-increase daw ang demand sa pistachio tungod sa ah, viral post nga na-trend ang like nauso ang pistachio. Question number 3. Which curve shifted demand and, and supply and in which direction? The demand curve shifted to the right, showing higher demand. Question number 3. Draw a simple graph showing the demand shift for pistachios due to the viral chocolate trend. As you can see, the demand curve is shifting to the right, and a rightward shift means that every price a higher quality is now demanded. Also you can see that the new equilibrium point is now changed. So as you can see that na siya change iyang equilibrium. So the increase in demand results in a higher equilibrium price from price 1 to price 2 and a higher equilibrium quantity from quantity 1 to quantity 2. In short, the viral trend has increased the demand for pistachios, which is shown on the graph, and led to both price and quantity sold.
Part B, understanding supply. So, dili na to may balaan nga kanang if ang supply ba ug ang demand magkadungan ba og kataas or ang demand ug supply magka-decrease. So, number 4, why can pistachio supply immediately increase to meet rising demand? Pistachio supply can't increase quickly because the trees take years to grow and produce nuts. So dili dali siya makuan no kanang mataas ang supply sa pistachio bisag pag mosaka ang demand kay ang pistachio bitaw nga kahoy if magtanom sila ang mga mag-uuma kay moabdan og pila ka tuig. Grabe lang pag-alaga ano bitong pag take care sa kahoy para matubuan og mga nuts. So dili bitaw para sa uban nga 15 season sa Lansones, October, diya gyud moabot ang diya gyud matubo dagan ang lansones. So dili pa rin na ang pistachio like kanang ma-understand pud sa kanang mga customers bitaw like kanang if maanad sila nga if mangutana sila nga if nalabay pistachio karon mangutana sila sa market if nabay pistachio nga available nga products. So kanang makasabot sila nga dugay kaayo tubo ang mga nuts sa pistachio. It takes kuan long years. So number 5, how long do production cycles of pistachio trees affect market response? So the answer is kuan jud siya kanang long production cycle. So sama sa akong gingon sa kanang question number 4 nga kanang need siya kanang taas bitaw kay nga panahon. So kanang ang affect jud ani sa market response is kanang kuan jud hinay siya, then ang uban product pod magkataas ang price kay wala may kanang wala man ang pistachio bitaw. So example lugar kanang mga 2 years ago haya pa ni bunga ang pistachio. So ang market ang market kay kanang mas makusog bitaw ang response kay lagi ang pistachio kay trend siya sa social media, so pangitaunon gyud kay siya. So sa first nga gawas sa pistachio mahal jud siya. So if daghan na siya supply, diyan na din maubos ang price. So ang demand pod ang demand nagkaubos ang demand kay kuan man kanang ang pistachio kay daghan na po siya supply. So mura magkaanam ang mga customer og kanang mamalit bitaw ana kay na kuan naman siya kanang murag dili na kay murag sumo na din kay siya sa tanan.
So, part C, market equilibrium. So, number 6, what happens to the equilibrium price and quantity of pistachios when demand rises sharply? So, the answer will be demand rises sharply, the equilibrium price and quantity both increase. So, when a lot of people suddenly want pistachios, so ang demand gid niya kay motaas. So sellers can charge higher prices because buyers were competing to get them. So ang result ani is the new balance point is equilibrium in the market. Kay nag-show man siya og higher price and more pistachios being sold than before. So, number 7, if supply remains fixed in the short run, what problem arises in the market? If supply stay fixed, a shortage occurs, leading to a higher price. So, if the number of pistachios available in the market doesn't increase, ang price na is magstay fixed lang siya. So, while more people want to buy them, a shortage happens. So this shortage causes prices to rise kay nagkagamay na lang man, so mutaas gid ang price because there are fewer pistachios but many buyers competing to get them.
So next is part D, critical thinking. So number 2, how might chocolate producers respond to the high pistachio price? So here's the 2 chocolate producer. Number 1 is use fewer pistachios and number 2 is switch to cheaper nuts. So number 1 is use fewer pistachio, reduce the amount of pistachios in the chocolate to lower cost. And the number 2 is switch to cheaper nuts, replace pistachios with more affordable nuts to save money. Next, number 9 is if the demand for pistachio chocolate decreases after the trend fades, what will happen to pistachio price? So, pistachio chocolate decreases if the demand for pistachio chocolate drops after that trend fades. The demand for pistachios will also decline. This lower demand will likely cause pistachio prices demand will decrease because supplier will have more pistachios than buyer want to purchase. Number 10, can social media trends create long-term change in market or are they usually short-term? Social media trends and market change. Social media trends are usually short-term as they often spark temporary spike in demand. However, some trends can create long-term change if they lead to lasting shifts in consumer preferences or behaviors. Next, please. So, the last, the next is conclusion. Conclusion, understanding how demand supply, and market equilibrium work helps us see how prices and production change in real life. Markets are always adjusting to people's needs, resources, and trends, whether short term or long term. Factors like social media can strongly affect demand, showing the consumer interest plays a big role in shaping the market.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, yes,
Next na, next na.